Hello everyone. This is a step-by-step guide on how to open the Nintendo Switch gaming console. First, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the device. Next, remove the rear cover by unscrewing 10 screws. The fifth screw is located beneath the kickstand. Open the kickstand to access the screw. Also, there are two screws near the charging port, one near the fan and a center screw on each side. Please note that the rear cover is only held by the middle screw on both sides. After removing all 10 screws, gently pull out the back cover away from the body.